Y'all, we do this every week. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another one. So for today, I don't really have a planned look in mind. I'm just kind of gonna go with the flow. So thank you guys for watching another one of my videos, and let's get straight into the video. I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna be concealing with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and this is in the color C13. So I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to pick up this shade right here. I'm going to go back in my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to use this darker purple right here. So dipping back into my Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to use this color right here. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Girl Conceal, and I'm going to cut my crease. And for this cut crease, I want to do like the half moon type look, so that's what I'm going for. So next I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to get this shade right here. So this is how we're looking, and now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. So now I'm going to go in with this NYX glitter, and this is in the shade Lumi Lights. Okay, now that my eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. And I'm trying to see what lashes I want to use today. I think I'm going to use the Baddington lashes, and I just got these from my BoxyCharm, and they're pretty cute. This is how these eyelashes look. They're really cute. I have worn them before, so they are reusable. Yeah, they're pretty good lashes. Okay guys, so now I'm going to move on to my face. So today for primer, I'm going to be using my Cover FX Blurring Primer. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and this is in the shade NW50. So I'm just going to dot that all over my face. And I feel like this saves me a lot of product versus putting it on a brush. I don't know, I just feel like I use too much product. So now I like to just dot it on my face. So for concealer, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade D. On top of that Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm going to put the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C13. I'm going to go in with a damp beauty blender. So I'm going to set with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm going to use a damp sponge to pick up the product. I'm going to go back into my Black Radiance True Complexion, and this is from medium to deep, or medium to dark. And I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to contour. I'm going to go back into my Morphe 35B palette and go back into this shade right here. Gonna go in with this purple as well. I'm using MAC today for my highlighter, and this is in the shade Oh Darling. And this highlighter is so buildable. My ColourPop lip pencil. This ColourPop pencil, look at it. This ColourPop pencil has been riding with me. The pencils don't even look like this anymore. Like, I've had this pencil for so long, and it's my favorite. The NYX Liquid Suede, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Sway. And then I'm gonna go in with my Ulta Beauty Shine Sheer Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Mocha. So today I'm going in with a new favorite of mine. It is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Gold Light, and it is so beautiful, guys. Like, I just want to shake it up for you, and I want you to see how beautiful it really is. Like, it's so beautiful. I wear this even when I'm not wearing makeup. I'll just moisturize my face and I will spray this on, and I get so many compliments on how good my skin looks, and I really feel like it's because of this. Subscribe to the channel. It's down there someplace. I don't know. I think it's on this side. I think it is. I don't know. But I think you should subscribe. Turn on the notifications. When I post a video, you will be the first one to know. We're that close. We're friends like that. That we're that close that when I post a video, I'm gonna let you know first. I'm gonna let you know first. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. I truly love and appreciate you guys, and I hope you really enjoy the look as much as I do, because I just feel like this MAC highlighter is just is serving up some realness, and it makes me feel great about myself. It makes me feel great. But thank you guys so much again for watching another one of my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah! Bye.